Wanna know how to add silence in Audacity? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to do so the easiest way. So let's get right into it. So first up, launch Audacity and import any audio that you like. Now, make sure to drag and select the audio that you'd like to silence. So let's say for me, it's like this, right here. Once you've dragged it, click on generate, that is located right here. And then navigate towards silence and left click on it. Now here, since we have already dragged and selected the part of audio that we'd like to silence, just simply click generate. Once you've clicked it, here you can see in the waveform, it has been silenced and there is nothing right here. And it's as simple as that. You can also do it multiple times. Follow the same step and there you go. Your audio has been silenced. So I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.